Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your nickname on Webull application. If you want to change your nickname in Webull, then it is super straightforward. First of all, open up Webull application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged into the homepage of Webull, go ahead and tap on menu at the bottom right corner. From the top of the screen, select your current nickname or your profile picture. You will then enter the Account and Security tab. Click Personal Information. On the next page, tap on the nickname. Now go ahead and erase your current nickname and write down a new one. Once done, click on Save. And there you have it. That is how you easily change or update your nickname in Webull application. The same process works on your desktops as well. Just go to the profile section and make your edits. So there you have it. That's how you can easily change your nickname in Webull. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.